Hey guys, Mr. Loaf here, ready for another video installment of how to do your math. So I'm going to just show you how you can work on this. I know sometimes it's been tough figuring out how to work on these graphs if you don't have a way to write on them. But let me show you how you can do that and then explain the directions to you. So actually, before we get into this, if you're on the sheet where you're opening up the document, like if you get the part that looks like this, like I'll show you. Here's assignment 7.11, there it is, and there's this open with thing at the top. If you do that and go to this one, Doc Hub, or if you can download that if you don't have it, I just find that one's really good because you can use straight lines on it. So here's what it looks like. So the directions are pretty much this. It's like a connect the dots kind of thing. You got all these different letters on here, right? And then down here, look, it says equation of line AB. See that? So what that means is they want us to connect the lines AB. So you can do that by going to this tool here and just choose that straight line. And then I'm going to connect as best I can A and B, all right? And you can change the color here at this little dot. But now that I've done that, I can find out what the equation is because look, I have a y-intercept right here, so that. And I can find the slope by just doing the good old rise over run. So I'm going up 1, 2, 3, 4, and over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's a slope of 4 over 6, which can be simplified, of course, to 2 over 3. And here is the y-intercept at -1, -2, -3, -4. So that means the equation, I can try and write it here, is going to be 2 over 3. Whoop. Hard to write the 3. Oh, there we go. X minus 4. Because it goes through the y-intercept. It's hard to do this. At -4. Let's just trust that that's a 4. And look over here at your choices. What do I see? Where is it? Oh, I had to scroll up. Look, there it is. 2 over 3x minus 4, which they just have as the letter n. So you could even just write n here at that box, or you can write the equation. But that's all you're doing for each one. You're just using this tool right here. I go to the straight line one. Look, I can even change the color before I do the next one. And look, this next one says C and D, so I just find C, right? And there's D, so I'm going to connect them. And I can do the same thing now. There's my y-intercept, and I can do, it's a negative slope. I can just count down 3 and count how many over. And there's my slope. Use the y-intercept, and I just find the equation over here and put it down here. And then you'll get to solve the answer to yet another hysterical joke or riddle. So I hope those directions made some sense to you. If they didn't, you can email or Google Hangout or Google Meet, any of that stuff, and we'll help you. I'm going to get back to watching the Michael Jordan documentary now, but we're here if you need the help. See ya.